Alright, so we're going to start with a G chord. Put your thumb over the top of the neck and you're going to hold down the 3rd fret with your thumb. Then you're going to play a simple triad with your other fingers. So your ring finger will be 5th fret of D, middle finger 4th fret of G, index finger 3rd fret of the B. And see if you can kind of mute out the A string a little bit, maybe with your thumb or the top of your ring finger. And you can let that high E ring out as well. So you're going to play 2 plucks and then a full strum, followed by 2 more plucks. So you got 2 plucks, strum, 2 plucks, strum. And then to round it out, you're going to do 2 more plucks. So you got so one more time, really slow. Right? So that same pattern we're going to use on the next chord, which is A. Now this is a voicing I thought sounded like what they were playing on the recording. So you're just going to set your index finger across the high E through the D string. So you got a bar and you're in the 7th fret. All right. Then you're going to set your ring finger down here on the 9th fret of the G, and your pinky on the 10th fret of the B. Should give you a voicing that sounds like this. All right. You're going to do that same pattern using the open A string. So you got 2 plucks, a strum, followed by 2 plucks, another strum, and then 2 more. Okay? Then practice going back and forth between the 2. So I hope that helps you get a good start on this song. Hit the like and subscribe. Let me know what other songs you want to work on, and I'll see you on the next video.